Miss Burpool has a new phone cleaner. No more apps in my classes. Why is Cindy sneaking into the classroom before the class? She has a master plan. She made Blackboard magnets with cheat sheets inside. Write formulas on the backside of Blackboard magnets. So, who wants to go to the blackboard? Cindy? Come on, impress me! Cindy peeks into the magnets and solves everything correctly. Good job! Cindy learned all the formulas. You should all be more like Cindy. Miss Burpool is giving us a difficult test. Do it, and no cheating. I'm watching you. No one knows anything except for Ashley. She came prepared and hid a little cheat sheet in her ring. Fold a printed cheat sheet into a zigzag and glue it into a ring blank. Attach a decorative stone on top. Use double-sided tape. Psst, Ashley, let me copy from you. Can I borrow your ring? But Miss Burpool is watching the students closely. I'll have to make do. Let's pretend we're getting engaged. What? Whoa, that's so cute. Oh, dear Ashley, will you marry me in this math class? Of course, Alex. I've been dreaming about this my whole student life. The students are plotting a tricky plan. Shh, she's coming. Take your seats, quick. Everyone, get ready for a test. I'll just put on my jacket. Miss Burpool, can you explain the question on the blackboard? Great, stand like that. Perfect. Miss Burpool is smart from head to toe. Literally, the students attach cheat sheets to the back of her jacket. Ouch! So this is where your cheat sheets are. Everywhere! I got you guys! We don't want to study today. That's why we connected all of Miss Burpool's stuff with cable ties. We hope it'll work. Class is starting. What? Tied chalk? It still works, you guys. Take notes. Uh-oh, my glasses. That's not funny. I'll just cut them with scissors. Whoops, they're tied up too? So what does all of this mean? All my stuff is trapped? Even my apple? How could you do this to me? Whoops! It looks like we went overboard. We shouldn't have touched her food. Now she's really upset. It's fine. We have a stress-relieving purse. Miss Burpool, take this. Make a pocket out of bubble wrap. Use double-sided tape. Make straps to be handles. Attach them to the sides and turn the bag right side out. You'll feel better after playing with this handbag. Thanks! This is actually calming. I think I need a day off. We're taking an important exam. Alex spent the whole night getting ready, but he accidentally marked the wrong answer. Psst, Ashley, do you have an eraser? Sure, here. Shade the eraser on the pencil to be the same color. Oh no! It's a pink disaster! Ashley, what happened to my test? You ruined my whole life! I won't pass this exam! This is the beginning of the end! One mistake can destroy my whole life! No one will hire me! Alex, you failed the most important exam! Sorry, we don't have a job for you. I'll get kicked out of my house! Go away, you loser! Next thing you know, I'll be homeless and eating trash. If I'm lucky enough. These are the consequences of one little prank. Alex! Alex! Wake up! You still have some time left till the end. You can fix your test. Phew! Turns out it's not that bad. Alex needs to finish an important project for his computer class, but Ashley needs to finish her important story about the last party she went to. Alex, take your headphones off. Alex, you have to hear this. This is unbelievable. Alex, help me. Look! Alex, just a little more. That's it. Time to protect my headphones and my personal boundaries. Alex sets up a security system and covers his headphones in thumbtacks. Alex, help! Ouch! You're a monster! I'll never touch you again! Great! Alex can't stop playing a game on his phone. All day, all night. And even in the bathroom. Nothing can distract him, even hunger. That's why Alex eats like a hamster. He has a feeder and a drink container in his locker. Apply edible glue to a wooden coffee stirrer and attach cereal to it. Cover the whole stick. Attach a binder clip to the edge of the stick. Pour milk into a bird water bottle. Close it and attach a binder clip to the bottle. Alex is having lunch on the go, milk and cereal, and he can keep playing. Cindy can't find her notebook. Here, I have an extra one. You can write in it as much as you want. Rub a wax candle on the pages of a notebook. Whoops! This notebook is enchanted! You can't write in it! Miss Burpool isn't satisfied that Cindy isn't taking notes. Cindy, go to the blackboard since you are too lazy to write. There's no chalk. Here, Cindy. Good luck. Thanks, Ashley. What? The chalk isn't working either? Coat chalk with clear nail polish. Is this invisible chalk? Or some kind of disappearing spell? Cindy, again? You aren't writing? You are definitely asking for an F. Alex loves music. But Miss Burpool ruined everything. Alex, you have to listen to my lecture instead of your music. Take your headphones out of your ears right now. Fine, but he can't stop the music. Alex, headphones! Okay. I think I know a way to trick Miss Burpool. Cut the eraser off a pencil. Put a silicone tube onto the end of the piece. Put a wireless headphone into the other side of the tube. Connect the other headphone with a pencil the same way. Now I have new headphones. Alex, are you listening to music again? No, Miss Burpool. I just made a stand for my pencil. And I can take notes on your lecture. Great idea, Alex. Ashley, can I borrow your pen? And a pencil? Ashley, can you please give me a marker? And a pen? Ashley, I need another pencil. And one more. And I need a pen. Ashley, gimme, gimme, gimme! What? I only have one pencil left? And it's all chewed up? That's it. I'll teach you a lesson about borrowing school supplies from me. Use pliers to make random cuts on pens and pencils. Make it look like tooth marks. Ashley comes back with her new case. Ashley, I'll borrow your… Ew! No way! A hungry student must have chewed on this pen. I don't need that. Keep it. The plan worked. Ashley has a crush on Alex. I'll leave him a little romantic message on the desk. Cindy has a crush on Alex too. No way! Your Raffaello won't reach its destination. I'll make sure of that. There you go. Alex, you'll never forget the taste of Ashley's garlic Raffaello. Microwave white chocolate and marshmallows. Add shredded coconut and mix it well. Peel a clove of garlic. Put it inside the sweet mixture and shape a ball. Coat the ball in shredded coconut. Swap the real Raffaello candy for the garlic balls. And here's Alex! He's about to find my gift! He's eating one! But Alex doesn't like Raffaello with garlic!
My.
You know what, Ashley? Keep your love to yourself. It's way too hot for me. Cindy! Loan me your pencils! Gosh, Ashley, you scared my art. I see you have a giant pack of pencils. Just give me one. This pack might make a nice organizer. Take pencils out of the box. Cut out one wall. Add a straight cut on the opposite wall so it can open. Apply glue to a sheet of cardboard and attach 2 pencil boxes. Cut out 2 walls on the other box. Cover the boxes with a printed picture of pencils. Put in colored pencils. Hang the organizer on the back of a chair. Take as many pencils as you want and leave me alone. Cindy, what do you have? My favorite cheese! Let's trade. I'll give you my apple. Fine, whatever you want. Take the hard wrapper off a round cheese. Need Fruitella candies. Make a round shape. Put it into the cheese package and cover with a wrap. I love this cheese! It tastes so good! What? Is this Fruitella? What a cheesy surprise! It's actually pretty good! The first rule of college is to study thoroughly for your tests. More precisely, prepare your classmates back thoroughly. Watch closely, you'll see all the hints under the hood, and the professor won't notice anything. Did you like our college pranks and life hacks? Then comment below which college life hacks you'd like to use. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new pranks and life hacks from Troom.